Hi guys! Andito kami sa Kew Garden. Ayan no, ang botanical garden is closed. Ito sila mga friends.
Hiya!
Hi! Hiya! Mga ama. Ayan na guys, ang Kew Garden na sarado. Ayun no, yung mga puno. Summertime is really good to come here. This time is winter time. So everything is
Everything is closed.
Eh na may ilaw siya, parang yung nasa Cebu. Ano bang tawag doon? Yung nasa Thai Eden, ano yun? Ayun doon tayo, punta tayo doon. Alam, may regalo na iwan si Santa.
Regalo mo sa akin yan?
Wow! Ang laki ng regalo ng jowa ng aking friend na si Bayot. Lucky you! Picture mo siya. Lucky husband. Lucky fiancé. Allah! Laki ng regalo. Ayan yung regalo niya guys. Santa Claus left the presents here in Kew Garden.
Santa Claus.
Ayan, there's another one here. Yan. We're entering the...
I think this is a Japanese maple.
We're entering the...
Japanese maple.
Yan guys, so we are here inside the Kew Garden. We're still searching for
Oh my coffee, oh.
beauties. Do you want to go there? Do you want to have a coffee?
Yes, I want to have a
Okay, let's go there. Doon na malapit ang
coffee.
ang orchids. But it's closed as well. Everything is closed. Places that we wanted to see is closed.
Year 4 lockdown, so that's it. That's it.
Ayan, guys.
Year 4 lockdown.
Careful lockdown daw. You can see this in here, in Kew Garden. Ayan guys. May Foxy Luxy. Ayan guys, oh. Ang ganda rito. And then may Ruben. Si Kuya Ruben nandito. Ayan, may malaking Robin bird. And Okay. Sige. Guys, we have a Robin bird here. So, where are we heading now, guys? Dito nga kayo, guys. May gold na lamp.
Gusto ko yan sa bahay ko.
Ayan. It looks nice, guys. It looks beautiful, but it's very cold in here. Chema and Karen Vlogs, wave! Alang, dami sana, oh. No? Mga ilaw. It looks so nice. Christmas theme sila, no? Ayun, yun, no? Gusto niyo umakyat doon? Ayun, no? Yan. Yeah, let's go, guys. Let's make most of it. Anong meron dito?
I don't think so. Oh, yeah, yes.
Gusto niyo rin magpa-picture dito? Ayan.
Ayan, baka nag-shooting.
May shooting.
Dalawa lang yun.
Ayan, guys, oh. Ay, oo. Oh, hindi pwedeng umakyat. Oo. Let's go there. Let's go there. Maybe. Ayan guys, so it's a shame that this is also closed. We can't get in. Guys, it's beautiful here. Dito ka na, yut oh. Pahang kita yut. We're here in a Kew Garden. Sila Caring Vlogs. Namasyal-masyal kami guys. Ayan o. Oh, hello that man. Wow. And that tree looks very autumny here. So nice. Pasyal-pasyal lang kami. Ayan guys, ang ganda dito. Sorry, come true. It's okay. Wait, just taking video.
It's okay.
So where is the Caring Vlogs? Hi! Ayan guys, meron mga ano dyan. It's very cold here.
I got my gloves on.
Likot tayo. And then the tree, the brown tree, parang autumn pa rin. Yeah. Guys, it's nice in here. Because we can't do cooking at the moment outdoors, we can't go anywhere, so we can go out only going to the park. And I'm just going to show you what we have in here in UK. This place called Kew Garden. Summertime is pretty nice in here, but this tree looks very autumny, this area. Look. Guys. Just wandering around and Kew Garden. So guys, this time we're going to get some coffees. Ayan na. This is the only shop that open. Barista coffee and snacks, and there's also a pizza over there. Tingnan ko nga doon. Ha? Ano yun doon? Do you want pizza? Barista coffee and snacks. We are getting coffee. What do you want? Yun.
You will do the pizza.
Yun. After the long walk, we are going to have snacks. So what are we having?
What is this? Vegetable?
Thing.
Oh, I want
Parang fajitas. Which one? That one?
Yeah.
That's with cheese and
Goat, yeah?
goat cheese.
Brie, cranberry, and rocket. Yeah.
Ito yung
Black Americano.
what's the one? What's
It's
the one?
sausage.
Sausage. That's salty sausages.
Is it?
Anong tawag din din? Something is called.
Also, one of those, and then can I get the
Any kind of water. Kind of water. Kinds of water. Yeah, okay.
Guys, we're getting a fresh pizza. And look at the pizza, guys. What's this one?
It's the chicken.
The chicken. We have the margarita. And that's the sample. That's the what we have.
This for you, eh?
Okay. Oh, this oven is massive. Open. And we're waiting for our pizza. Ayan ang pizza natin. Oh, Houston's very busy now, guys. Is that mine now? Dali, dali. I wanna. That's my pizza. And this is the margarita.
Yeah.
Margarita pizza.
There you go.
Perfect. Thank you. It looks so nice. And I'm waiting for the other one. Dong. The hungry man is there.
Can I go inside to take some plates?
Sorry.
Because I don't gotta have it. And afterwards, single. I need a plate. Thank you.
It's getting busy. Is that mine?
Yes.
There's a meat lover pizza. Is that just chicken or
Yeah, chicken.
chicken? Why not just call it chicken pizza?
They want to have one name, so
Looks lang. Open. And we're waiting for our pizza. Ayan ang pizza natin. Oh, Houston's very busy now, guys. Is that mine now? Dali, dali. Ayan guys, we're having authentic Italian pizza in Kew Garden. Ayan, but by someone is very hungry now. Ayan, another hungry one. Let's eat. We can have a little picnic here. Ayan guys, ang pizza.
Don't take that thing for the stuff. I've done it already.
Authentic pizza. Here in Kew Garden.
It's just chicken. It doesn't matter, you know.
It's nice, very simple.
Is it simple and delicate? Is it delicious?
Try some.
It looks like
We're just going to eat guys. Guys, tapos na kami. We're finished now. We had fun and enjoy having a little picnic with the authentic pizza, and we enjoyed the surrounding inside the Kew Garden. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.